I have it listed on eBay sub 200. So here you go. Let's show you the back side if we can. Here's the drive side. Some of them used, some of them really haven't been used that much. I'll do my best here while I'm holding the camera. This is the drive side. I'll show you the business end right after I'm done showing you this. Wonder if this will work. How's that? Now I'm going to flip them around so you can see the 6-point side, the business end. Again, Rick Sells Tools. I'm going to be putting up 3 snap-on socket sets in the next 24 hours. If you go to Rick Sells Tools, you'll see them. There's the set. Okay, many more videos to come. Thanks for watching. Rick Sells Tools on eBay if you want these. See you soon. Bye-bye.